Welcome to the Get Your Weekend Back pool owners. This is the flagship Scuba from Aiper. Now this is the S3 model. We're gonna unpack it here today and we're gonna do a before and after of how my pool looks before and after I use this iconic Scuba, the S3, the most recent version, and let's get started and see what's in here. Now I want you to watch it all the way to the end of the video because we will have a graphic showing the before and after, and we will have all of the benefits. This Aiper Scuba S3, and it was provided for me for my honest opinion. Let's get started. I'm your pool guru and I want to show you what you're going to get. First, my favorite thing is the Aiper Quick Start Guide. Look how easy it is to get started. We're talking plug it in. That's a step. How easy is that? We're going to plug it in, charge it, and set up our app. If you choose to, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can control it from your phone like a remote control. And we're going to select from the two different types of filters that are available with the S3. We'll show you how to turn it on, pick your cleaning mode because you have 4 cleaning modes, and how to clean the filter after. That's as easy as it gets with the Aiper. So we're going to put our quick start guide here and let's dive in and see what else we have. We have more information on Aiper's other great products, and this is a game-changing robot because it has 2 types of filters, and it is the master of the waterline. The waterline's the hardest to clean. I have found the waterline is just the one that would take the most effort, and it's the one that most pool robots miss. Now look at this, is our in-depth Scuba S3 guide, all the detailed questions that you'll ever want, but you can run this Scuba from the quick start guide only, but you have the book if you need it, and you get your great retrieval hook and your charger. So as soon as we unbox it, we're going to charge it and we're going to get it set up, a high-powered DC outlet charger and a great retrieval hook with this new design here that's aimed to make it easy to catch. This is your buoyancy foam. This is a new feature, giving your robot some extra flotation. Wow, it's beautiful. It's pristinely packed. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? I love a new pool robot. And we'll take off our protective coatings here. Now, some of the great features of this great robot include 4 intelligent zone cleaning areas for waterline, shallow area, floor, and wall. And it has dual brush rollers here and caterpillar treads and a large inlet debris basket with a silicone rake valance to push the debris in. Now, these sets of 2 scrubbing roller brushes makes it the king of the waterline. Now it also has a 4800 GPH suction and an upgraded wave path 3.0 cross pattern and adaptive pattern for your pool. Now right here, this is the horizontal cleaning. This is the master of the traction. It gets the pool right up to the edge on both sides. You'll see this, and it helps keep it focused on that water line. It's really unique and only in the Scuba S3. Now let's talk about this really unique micro mesh multi-layer filtration system in this debris basket. The debris basket is very large. It's easy one-handed operation to open it, and this filter actually comes out. Now it will catch leaves, twigs, insects, gravel, sand, hair, algae, and microorganisms, and you can pull it out for easy cleaning, or for when you have lightweight cleaning, you can just use this system without the inner basket. An extra level of clean from Aiper. That's really a nice touch. And it hinges very easily, and it has that squeezable handle in here that makes it very easy to pull in and out. I love the vertical basket, no reaching under for any messy cleanup. Just pick it up and go. Not even dust will be left behind. It's easy to use, easy to retrieve, easy to maintain, and easy to clean. Now you can ditch the cord. Safe operation, flexible use with this one press button, and you have an LED screen here. It offers floor, wall, water line, automatic, and scheduling with the app. Now this is an intelligent sensor in the front that helps it with obstacle avoidance. Let's see it in the pool. Now we're going to put it in the pool. The Scuba S3 is an awesome cleaning robot. It's not really heavy, and it's easy to operate with one hand. Now you just press the button and go, and you have 4 options. I love the Aiper products because you can use them digitally on the app, or you can just simply monitor them and press the buttons on the bright LED screen. Now here it goes in the pool, and we will let it do its thing. Now, it boasts a 250-minute runtime for in-ground pools, and the smart sensor navigation helps it not waste time. It works great on stairs, walls, shallow areas, floors, and water lines. You can see it's doing its adaptive path planning. It's better coverage for any type of pool. For walls and slopes, it has an optimized cleaning path where it learns the shape of your pool, and it uses that memory to clean it each time. One button control, it's easy to operate and very easy to rinse. You can operate it very easily on the app as well. Now, this is the most powerful lightweight class robotic pool cleaner. It's easy, portable, and hassle-free. It has 4 intelligent zone cleaning, shallow areas, water line, the wall, and the floors. It is very, very good on the stairs and the sloped and curved walls in my pool, and it's designed for all pool types. It's 20% lighter than most pool cleaners, coming in at 18 pounds, which is easy to lift with one hand. Now, it has a terrific app which allows you to watch it in real time, and it has a 10-minute water parking stay. And one of my favorite things is the Jet Assist technology, which helps it clean the water lines in a horizontal fashion in addition to the regular scrubbing method. Now, my water lines are particularly challenging because my pool walls are curved, and I have a curved and sloped shallow area and a tanning ledge. Now, it also has high precision obstacle avoidance and has a very light touch operation, so it's anti-crash. It will run for 250 minutes for full pool coverage. It also has different modes, including an eco efficiency mode, offering clean options for the floor, the wall, the water line, auto, including everything, and a scheduling feature on the app. Now, I love Aiper products, and I have several of them, and I love the fact that the app can manage all of them in one place, so you can see what your pool monitoring system, maybe your surface cleaner, and your pool robot of choice. You can manage and schedule them all in one place. This was provided for me from Aiper, for my honest opinion, and it has lived up to its name. The Scuba S3 is an awesome product, and I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed.